The Deepower S7 Electric Bike is marketed as an affordable e-bike that supposedly delivers strong performance and excellent value without the premium price tag. But the real question is, does it actually perform on a budget, or is it another low-cost e-bike with big promises? Now, to be fair, budget electric bikes have improved significantly in recent years. Many can provide a fun and practical riding experience without costing thousands of dollars. What it does well: affordable entry into e-biking. This is one of the S7's biggest selling points. It offers electric bike features at a relatively accessible price, may provide adequate power for everyday riding. For commuting, neighborhood rides, and recreational use, the motor can be sufficient for many users. Where the hype falls apart, it won't compete with premium e-bikes. This is the biggest issue. Lower-priced models often make compromises in components, build quality, and overall refinement. Range claims are usually based on ideal conditions. Real-world battery life depends on rider weight, terrain, speed, weather, and assist level. Performance may be modest on steep hills. Budget motors can struggle compared to higher-end systems. So, does the Deepower S7 actually perform on a budget? Short answer: yes, for many casual riders. It can provide a practical and enjoyable e-bike experience, but it is unlikely to match the performance and refinement of more expensive models. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.